we speak face to face, it's like you only hear yourself. Love the sound of your own voice, you interrupt everyone else. Always acting stuck up, no self-awareness ever felt. Please just shut the fuck up before my brain gives up and melts. You're so sensitive, yeah. Offended by everything, like I could bring up anything that don't apply to you, and I still end up that bitch that you're crying to. My God, wish that I could be alright with you, cause you're friends with my friends, got a bend to pretend I ain't fed up. Yeah, I heard it sucks to be you. That's nice. Well, it sucks to be me, and it sucks to be every other human on the planet Earth too. I still listen and I'll try to give advice, at the same time I just wanna cave and be rude. You're so passive aggressive, it's such a whore for attention, it's like you almost tryna fuck up my mood. And TBH, I hope you hate me too, cause when we speak face to face, it's like you only hear yourself. Love the sound of your own voice, you interrupt everyone else. Always acting stuck up, no self-awareness ever felt. Please just shut the fuck up before my brain gives up and melts.
And now on the break, we have the outstanding and a staggering 6-foot bitch. Their name doesn't Fighters, get ready. 3, 2, 1.
Step in the ring with me, baby. Go ahead, go on and swing, little lady. I'm a full-time champ, I ain't worried about safety. All these rappers won't stay on my balls like Brady. Ball like Katie, my wallet got savings. I'm a real bad bitch, blonde hair like Katie. He gon' pay 80 for an 8, that's crazy. Got an ounce from the plug and he pretty much paid me. Got no drip, boy, shopping Old Navy. I make hits, yo, my shit too wavy. I'ma steal his bitch, now fuck boy hate me. Bet he realize it, why his bitch so flaky. I'm way too nice, I'm way too fly. You hate your life, girl, why the fuck you wanna bring my mood down? Stay tonight, come get this pipe, then out my sight. No, I ain't really tryna make you fool now. That bitch call me a punk, no CM. Drank so much, got a drunk off. She said she need a ride, so I shot her a DM. Uber to my dick, quote T-Sa Korean. About time I got about 9 hoes coming to my place after getting this blow. I'm blowing up in their face, I ain't talking about shows. I got a pimp cane on me and a couple of poles. But if you tryna fight with no straps, hit my line, I'll come where you at. Think he wanna die, he said he won't scrap. This ain't Twitter, look bro, you get smacked. I might fuck your hoe when I'm back. At my home to smoke some more gas. His whole gang, you not know where bro at. 6 feet deep, he should have been strapped. Step in the ring with me, baby. Go ahead, go on and swing, little lady. I'm a full-time champ, I ain't worried about safety. All these rappers won't stay on my balls like Brady. Ball like Katie, my wallet got savings. I'm a real bad bitch, blonde hair like Katie. He gon' pay 80 for an 8, that's crazy. Got an ounce from the plug and he pretty much paid me. Step in the ring with me, baby. Go ahead, go on and swing, little lady. I'm a full-time champ, I ain't worried about safety. All these rappers won't stay on my balls like Brady. Ball like Katie, my wallet got savings. I'm a real bad bitch, blonde hair like Katie. He gon' pay 80 for an 8, that's crazy. Got an ounce from the plug and he pretty much paid me.
Karma, mama.
This is a Karma Mob Radio exclusive.
David Arcade.
Bad bitch, brokey, hot cunt, what I serve. Shawty out of Cali, but I don't know how to serve. I've been in the sky so much, you think I was a bird. They're like, brokey, you iconic. I'm like, that bitch, you ain't heard. I've been in A-line shit, this real fur. All my haters broke, rocking polyester shirts, but they shipping on Shein, bitch, if you don't go to work. Cause a bitch got her money up and now I'm really hurt. Yo, Yo bitch tell me eat it. I'm that shawty with the waist, make a bitch believe it. Shawty tell me that I'm great like I didn't see it. Naruto to all the hate, tell them bitch believe it. Double see my fragrance, I been out in Vegas. Had houses to my name, my boy you a vagrant. You your bitch lamest, I'm my bitch favorite. I'm a baddie so my homies always acting fragrant. Middle name basis, how all my idols know me. If you stay faking, you are not the homie. I cannot fake statements, I ain't like the old me. Now I got bracelets, perfumes with double C's. And now I just double cheese, my shawty got double D's. Or maybe it's double G's, feel like I got double T. Now hoe got a fans league, her body the company. My toes in the Sanji, I'm sipping on bubble tea. On a beach with my bitties out, bands in the 50s now. Brand new rack, homie, wallet got titties now. Brand new rack, homie, I just get litty now. French tip fingernails, I'm the hottest missing out. Old friends missing out, hitting up associates. Mad I cut them off cause I'm colder than a Soviet. These labels hit me up, they're like that I ain't appropriate. Slope is slippery, you fucking with me like an opiate, little bitch. Bad bitch, brokey, hot cunt, what I serve. Shawty out of Cali, but I don't know how to serve. I been in the sky so much you